Hello, my name is Adebola. I'm a corporate professional, very passionate about financial empowerment. I started investing in US stock market a few years ago. Sometime last year, I started to think of what more I could do with my stocks and also with the US stock market itself. Then I came across options trading. I started to read a bit about it, but I realized I wanted a coach. I wanted to learn from someone who was seasoned in the knowledge of options trading. I took a first course, and while I learned some things, it just didn't do a lot for me. I wanted a one-on-one class. I wanted to find a facilitator that was relatable and knew their audience. One day I came across Blooming's page on Instagram and I checked her out. I checked every course she facilitated. I looked through her website. I watched some videos and I made a decision to reach out and ask if she could take me the options trading class. I followed the link she sent. I saw the course and I was like, hey, God, should I go ahead with this or not? Because it was quite a sum. Eventually, I decided to risk it and take class. It was a 4-week course, and I would say that I had a complete mind shift during these 4 weeks. First of all, Blooming is an awesome facilitator. I dare say she's the best money coach I have worked with. I love her passion. It came through a passion of just wanting really, really, really pour out that knowledge, that information that she has gathered over the years with a lot of work. She's willing to see other people just thrive this investment. By week 2, just by the knowledge I was gaining from an options trading class, understand this was an options trading class, I was already moving things around within my investment portfolio in a way that made better sense for my investment goals and plans. Remember that I wasn't taking a stock trading class. I was taking an options trading one because I'd already started investing in the US stock market. I gained more knowledge than just options trading. I understood how to match my investment goals, the kind of investments I was making, and what percentage of my portfolio was what, where should it be, why am I making those decisions. It was a very enlightening class. Blooming is very seasoned. She doesn't hold back. There's a lot of knowledge she shares. I gained way more value than I went in thinking again. It was worth it 1,001%. By week 3, I started getting into options trading. I was opening positions in the US options market. I knew why I was getting into those positions. I knew the right people to listen to. I knew who to follow for what reason. I knew what information I was trying to follow this person for. Who is seasoned in this? Who is seasoned in that? Who do I need to follow? I could go on about this class. I was very, very glad I took this class. It was way more value for what I paid. Maybe you've never even traded the stock market. You've never invested at all. US stock market, Nigeria stock market, whatever markets, and you're looking to start investing, which is something that I completely recommend for everyone. You want to understand the US stock market and why pick what stock, what should you hold long and what should you trade in and out of. You're looking to understand options trading, or you already have stock, you already have a sizable sum in the US stock market. You want to do more with your stock, you want to do more with investing. So you're trying to get into options trading and understand what more value you can get for your stock. Or you're trying to understand investing in cryptocurrency itself. I 1001% recommend as you could. She will leave you empowered beyond your expectation. She's someone that I would recommend over and over again. And I told her already that I'm back for more courses just to gain that knowledge, to get information, that exposure to the kind of investment opportunities I'm looking for. So again, thank you, Blumi. I truly enjoyed the training. To everyone again, I recommend 1,001%. Thank you.